don't mind my messy background. I have decided that this is where I'm going to film from now on. And so I will eventually get this all beautiful for you guys. I promise. I'm in it to win it. This is for realsies. Hi, I'm sick and tired. I'm rude, politically incorrect, and I talk about whatever the hell I want. And today, I want to talk about scary noises. And yes, I will always have my camera up high because I don't want you guys to see my double chin. At least I'm honest. All right, so let's listen to some scary sounds. Ew, I don't like these faces. They're scaring me. Gosh, these are so creepy. Ooh, I love that movie.
A group of friends were hiking in Virginia when they hear something inside the forest that horrifies them.
Ooh, that spider's horrifying me.
I'm going first. Oh, no, go first. I'm ready to get a picture of it. You gotta get lower than that. Oh my god. Uh-oh, it's about to catch something. Y'all ready to go back?
Yes, I am.
That could have just been an animal. I mean, it sounded scary, but I don't think that was anything paranormal. So most of these are going to be from a YouTuber named Maverick Films. So go watch his videos. And then watch mine.
Sounds of screaming coming from the woods behind my house at about 2 a.m., December 2014. But the audio that follows is disturbing.
Oh no, that's a person. Yeah, that for sure is a person. I wasn't sure at first, but then when you heard the like like that was a person.
We nearly pooped our pants.
That shit sounds like War of the World. If I heard that,
Pooped our pants.
I don't even know what I would do. I literally just did a video on this yesterday on these sky trumpets. Doesn't it seem weird how we were like, this was like everywhere it felt like in like 2012, 2013. And then it just stopped and we like all stopped talking about it. That is terrifying. If I heard that, I would be... it sounds like the sky is about to rip open. I would be like running. I would be running into my house. I would be burying myself under the bed or under the blankets or in a basement or something. I would be thinking the world was seriously like about to come to an end. I don't know, wood noises from like the woods and stuff like that. I know that people want to automatically be like Sasquatch, but I don't know. There's so many animals that could be making those noises. I know that here in Vegas, we have a park where you can go and there's peacocks. And when they like cry out or make noises, it sounds like somebody yelling help. Imagine hearing that late at night in a forest. You're gonna think the worst, right? Wow. Look at that video quality. It's so amazing. My eyes can't even handle it. Oh, yeah, yeah. I've seen this.
I'm overal.
That's an oldie. That one's almost as old as I am.
Hey everybody, once again I'd just like to give you just a little bit about what you're hearing and what to expect. This was recorded in my sister's bathroom in an apartment complex in Folsom. Now, it wasn't an old apartment complex. In fact, it was probably no more than 10 years old. It was a pretty nice place, but my sister had a tendency to conjure or bring about some of the really, really bad ones, you know. So anyways, she always felt really, really uneasy in her bathroom. So one night, when I had the chance to stay over, I had set this recorder in her bathroom, and I had let it record overnight. And you're gonna hear her baby was, you know, only a few months old back then, and she was crying a lot in the middle of the night, and we were all completely sound asleep. We all slept right through this. Nobody heard a thing, but the scream, okay, this scream is the most blood-curdling, crazy, scariest, really just strange scream I've ever heard. And it's not like a scream that's off in the distance and you're like, oh, somebody screamed. No. This shit it's loud, okay? So just be prepared. You don't need to have your speakers up really loud to hear this. Okay.
Oh, that's the baby.
Oh, damn.
Oh, oh my gosh. I have goosebumps. My heart is pounding right now. I am home alone. Wow. Wow. I kind of want to listen to it again, but I don't want to. At first I'm like, okay, that's the baby. And the baby wasn't even crying. It was more like fussing. And then, yeah, the baby was screaming, kind of a little bit crying. That, oh my gosh, I have goosebumps. That was the most terrifying EVP I think I've ever heard. That was insane. That was, whew. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'm sick and tired of everybody's ish. Wow, I'm really scared to edit this one. Hopefully it all gets better from here. Mwah.